Okay, I am live. Just going to check the audio once. Yeah. Sunday morning, and here we are going to Vibecode T3Chat open source. If you don't know, uh, the owner of T3Chat, Theo, has a hackathon sort of thing where he wants people to clone T3Chat, open source version of T3Chat, and the winner there will be three main winners: $5,000, 2,000, and 1,000. I think. Wait, let me just first check the audio. Yeah. Mm, yes, it works. So yeah, I'm going to create an open source T3 chat for it, and and we'll see if I actually win or not. And we're gonna vibe code it using my own, not my own, but using a really cool uh, uh, vibe code method that I have found very recently, and you're gonna really like it. It's actually pretty cool. Hello, Hamza. Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? I think we should just cross it out. If yeah, okay, great. Yeah, good. I hope the screen keeps working properly. Alhamdulillah, doing good, doing good, doing good. Today I actually went and met my first subscriber. So I don't know if you know about it, but there was a person who lives really close to me who once watched the stream, and today I went to meet him, and it was an amazing experience. He has like 8 9 years of experience, development experience. So it was a really nice guy. Had a really nice. I spent like 4 hours. We like spent 4 hours together, and it was a really good experience. Yeah, it is. Like YouTube is doing great stuff here. Okay, so to explain what's going on, so there's this chat GPT sort of thing, T3 chat, and it has like all sorts of LLM models. And the creator of this T3 chat is actually very popular uh, coding sort of YouTuber, if you know about him. What's his full name? Theo what? Yeah, I'm just gonna say T3. Oh yeah, this guy. So he started a clonathon, which he called, which is like he wants people to clone this T3 chat, an open source version of it, and they're like winning prizes and things like that. And I did want to create something like this, so it's a good opportunity to shoot two birds with with one stone. So it's gonna be cool, and I'm going to be using this new method of my vibe coding, which is actually really crazy good method. This is like the first prompt. It has templates and personas and whatnot. Oh, you do? That's good. Then you already probably know about this. So yeah, and this helps with creating, for first of all, planning the project, then creating exact prompts, stories, epics, and like so. These are terminologies used in software development, professional software development. Stories, epics, PRD, architecture documents, and all. I don't know whatnot. So that's how it works. I did like this basic version of it before because it takes too much time and is boring, and you have to wait for it to write a response for like 2 minutes for every message almost. So yeah, let me just go through it very quickly just to show what I did here. So I told it what I want, like to clone a web app in terms of, yeah. And I told it the exact thing. The owner of the website has this XYZ, and then I like copied uh, the requirements from this page and the bonus ones as well, because I want to have maximum chance of winning. So I do want to add bonus points. It might take us 2 to 3 days to complete it because it's not that small. Yeah, 100%. People, but you know what? If you toy with AI and spend enough time and try to tweak it and find the best way of doing it, you can actually make it really, really effective compared to the default version, how like a layman would use it. You can like if you have very precise instructions and workflows in place, you can achieve a lot of professional work from it and not just garbage code from it, because I have done that as well, where I just did the entire vibe coding thing very casually without even looking at what's even going on, and the result was a disaster of code. Like it was garbage, like literally garbage. Even AI could not later understand what it did, because it wasn't like there wasn't any plan in place, there wasn't any proper architecture and plan and like for everything that's supposed to be done. But if there is proper planning and things like that, and guidelines for the cursor and AI, then you can achieve really good results. And that's what I'm going to prove to you guys in the coming 3 streams. Hopefully we'll be done in 3 streams with this. Have you seen an AI or something? You can make it understand. Okay. The first thing we should know that if you're trying to make cursor understand an entire code base, you cannot make it do it that, because it's not like unless you use the max modes, which would cost you a lot. So if you want AI to understand your code base and create a plan for it, and like documentation for it, so that cursor can read like go through it and understand how the project is made and all those things, what you should do is go to aistudio.google.com, copy all your project files, which you can do using software like Pastemax. You should install it, it's open source, with which you can copy all the files you want from any project folder. Let me just show you. And then you can paste it in here. Why you can do it in here, why you should do it in here, because first of all it's free and you can get a 1 million token limit for free. So it's crazy. And 1 million token limit is really, really huge. Like you can do a lot of stuff with it. This is my starter kit, which I'm going to launch very soon. It's for app development. And if I'm stuck with something that I don't even know what's causing it, I just copy the code here and I put in the instructions, I copy it and paste it in there, and it does everything for me. So you can achieve crazy things with AI if you actually know how to use it, because most of the people, they don't know how to effectively use AI. So that's why they're always saying that vibe coding is useless and garbage and all that. Enough of this yapping, and let's just get back to work. Okay, so I pasted the requirements. It went through it, and then a very good thing if you could do, like if you are trying to clone something, make sure you're providing screenshots. So I previously like took all the screenshots of like each interface that I want it to copy. Like even small things like this, that when you click on this, it should show this if user is not subscribed. And I told it to review it, but it did not review it. So you have to like understand, sometimes it does make mistakes. Then I had to tell it again, go back and review all the images I gave you. Then it reviewed it, and then it actually understood the entire thing properly. Then it created like this base. What did it create? Created a project brief, and then it wants me to review it, and it asks me question, do you agree with the proposed MVP scope, etc. Then I told it about some of the things that I want, just the tech stack and how I want, and that I have a basic starter kit already there, which I want to use. I told about that. Then it created V2 of it, of the documentation. Then I gave it the starter kit. By the way, I'm thinking of using some other one because later I found a better one. This one. This is actually, but I haven't tested it at all, so I'm a bit confused here. But the thing is, if I get into understanding this, it might take us longer. So let's just stick with the one I have already. So it's a basic one. It's also like it's from a YouTuber. React. So it's a React.js convex starter kit. And it has like dashboard and a very basic chat interface. Not it's nothing special. So I pasted that in because it has a 1 million token limit, so I can literally paste a normal code base into it. So by the way, let me just we do have a Discord community which you guys can join. Let me just pin it here. Like there should be a way to automatically pin some messages in every stream. Doing it every time is just it's not something I'm gonna do. Come on. Okay. Coming back to where we were. Okay. Yeah. So now it understands the project that I already have. So you can actually work with existing projects very easily this way. So okay. Then I told a little bit about what to keep and some small things I wanted to be changed. We have a revised architecture. Then I asked it. Then I told it that rather than like updating the schema again and again for every feature that we add, we should just create the entire final version in the first place, and then we can so that we don't have to update the schema again and again. And because I read through the messages properly, I knew that it did not read the screenshots properly. Why did you not notice from the screenshot? Because it didn't understand all the like it did not have all the features in the plan. So I told it to go through it again. Then it went through it very like deeply. So then it added every single thing, then created a very detailed schema. Then I went through the schema. This is where your programming knowledge does help out. I saw a small mistake over here. There was absolutely no need for putting this in here. So I told it, why did you put it here? Then it said, yeah, you're right. It shouldn't be there. So I fixed that, and then we were done with it. Yes. So yeah, a lot of things going on. Then it okay. Now we are at the point of creating PRD. Okay, so let me just briefly go over it. Oh yeah. Just create the entire PRD. One go. Oh, have he added like this registered thing? No. The chronothon, like the hackathon is about to end and he still hasn't like opened any registration or anything like that. Funny. So this is why I wanted to do all the planning things beforehand because this takes a lot of time. Yeah. So it creates like functional, non-functional requirements, overall goals, and whatever, some basic stuff. Okay. Okay. No, we're not going to do unit testing. No. Because okay, if like doing unit test and end to end is great thing, but you should know like if you have limited time, you should never do it, or do it for very like small part of the project only when you think it's actually really helpful, because if you do it for the entire project it just takes so much more time and it will eat away your cursor fast credits in like very quickly. Okay, skip. I'm just gonna skip unit and E2E test. We want to be fast. We want to be fast. Okay, what's next? So it created epics, and each epic has a story, which will later on be a very detailed document, and that story will be what Cursor will use to implement the code. Okay, it has checklists, which okay. So when it generates a document, we have a checklist document. So what it generates, it compares with the checklist to make sure that it has added everything and it has followed the structure that that particular document needs to have, if that makes sense. Brr, okay. So it ran the checklist to see if we are actually doing whatever, like the things that should be in the document. Next is, let me, oh my god, I should have zoomed in. Okay, next. If anyone has any questions, feel free to drop them in the chat. Hello, MC Naveen. How are you doing? Man, it would be crazy if like Theo is doing a live stream and I like add in my like put link to my live stream and he actually opens it up. Oh, that would be cool. That would be amazing. I should try it actually because he streams regularly nowadays. So maybe choose a time where he's also streaming. I've been into development for like three, more than three. Like it depends what exactly develop. Formally, I've been developing for like 3 years. Before that, it was just like nothing special. So yeah, 3 years. Started as a started out as a web developer. Now I also do app development as well. I have a like very soon my app starter kit is going to be launched, which is very specifically made for vibe coding apps. But by the way, it's not done yet. Like this page has a lot of problems, and this is not even real. This is just dummy data over here. So and all this is fake right now. I have to like change a lot of things, but yeah, I'm bringing it very soon, and it will be a game changer. I'm very confident about it. It will make vibe coding apps way better than the normal way of doing it because I have tried that and I know how painful it can become. Because LLMs aren't as good at app development as they are at web development. There's like a significant difference over there. So yes, and I've made it in a way that a lot of those problems you don't have to face because some of the cursor rules and the flows and guardrails that I've added in there. Okay, cool. Let's be quick. Yeah. Next. By the way, just to tell you guys, Gemini 2.5 now also has like an option to disable the thinking mode. Let's say you are going to ask it a very simple question and you don't need the thinking mode. Just like you can turn it off so it responds way quicker, and you don't have to wait like how many seconds? 23 seconds just for the message to start. By the way, what if you are still there, Naveen? What do you do? How long you have been in development, and what do you do? Where are you from? Skip the mermaid charts. I don't want them because I can't even like read them without actually visualizing them in a mermaid website. So it just again like a time waster unless you are working on a really huge project and you need a lot of like you need as much documentation as possible. Start. Oh, good, you're still here. Click sign in, auth, app, type prompt, timer, show optimistic. Okay, this actually makes a lot of sense. Good, very good. Yes, this is good. Click attach. So if you like go to let me just show you guys in case someone might not know it. But the problem I faced was most of the times the mermaid diagram it generates is actually invalid. It's wrong syntax. So no, wait, let me copy it. If it works, good. Otherwise, we're not doing it because it. I tried it. It just wastes a lot of time. Come on, show me something. Hello. You're not gonna show me anything. That's why I hate it. Okay, I'm not gonna bother about it. Okay, do it, do it. Yeah, quick. How are you gonna define the wireframe mockup? Let me see. Okay. Oh, I'm getting thirsty again. Oh wait, I should like share the live stream link in the Discord community. Maybe someone from there finds it out. Oh, good. You have your own. That's good. By the way, like in case you don't know, the reason I'm cloning this is actually for this T3 clonathon, T3Chat clonathon, where you have to create an open source version of it, and you can like earn some money if you win. So yeah, you can try out. Why not? Maybe make while I'm making. And it's a good project on your resume if you're into applying for jobs, which I'm not. I want to make my own products. And I can actually like launch in my version of T3 chat. Maybe I get like a couple of users, who knows. Uh, uh, so do you remember that we were supposed to have multiple theme option? Because in branding and style guide reference, you are just talking about the pink theme. Were you aware or only now you found out about it when I told you? I want to know if it actually knew that. Oh, you're hearing first time about it. You should maybe check it out. Even though I'm not subscribed to it because I would prefer ChatGPT because because of the chats that I already have in it, and a lot of the people for this specific reason won't shift to different uh, whatever man whatever it is, different like LLM providers. Come on. So yeah, let me just tell you. T3 Chat is like Chat GPT, but it has all the models: Gemini, GPT, Claude, DeepSeek, and everything. And it's it has like slightly better user experience. Like it's a bit more faster. As like the owner says that I haven't tested it that much, so I cannot say. By the way, what's your GitHub? Maybe we can like find something cool over there. And let's see what you have. Uh, oh no. Remember, accelerated plan does not mean that you skip even a single requirement that I told you. Please. Accelerated plan meant that we plan quickly while having the same requirements. If you messed up, then tell me because we cannot mess up. We just want to accelerate the planning process, not the project. This? Oh, so I think what you mean is this. Oh, wait. By the way, where are you from? Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. 2000. Crazy. I think you are from India. Guess. I'm just guessing. Cool, man. Cool. Nice. Pretty cool. I will have an like I will have an open source version of my starter kit, but it will obviously not have all the features. So you can check that when I actually launch it. You can join the Discord community. We have some cool members over there. You can make some good friends and maybe even collaborate. Okay. Okay, did make a mistake with that. So this is something you can no that it thought like it misinterpreted what I said. It thought accelerated plan meant that we just speed up everything and reduce the requirements. So you need to be more clear to the AI to make sure it doesn't mess up. Yeah, next. Everybody's a noob in the beginning, so I still sometimes think I'm a noob because like I do know a lot of things, but there are a lot of things that I still don't know, and there are times when I'm stuck at some stupid little problem and just wastes a lot of time. Okay, quick. Yeah, you should live stream whatever you're doing. I mean, live streaming has been very useful for me. I did make some really good friends, like four really good friends, and some other friends as well, who are like part of the Discord community. And you can like I can have a chat with them, and ask them if something if I want to. But four really good friends is a big win in itself. Just a second. Theo overhypes T3 in my opinion. I haven't used it too much, but yeah, like it might be overhyped. But there is one thing, like it costs way less, way less. So if someone's on a budget, they can actually prefer it over like other ones, and that you get like all the other providers as well. The thing is, like like for now I have ChatGPT Plus, I can use that. But let's say I want the like Claude's like we all know there are certain models that are good and that are good at certain tasks. If I want to use Claude for something outside Cursor, I cannot use it too much because the one on their website has a very bad free plan. So yeah, it might be useful. I don't know. Overhype, and by the way, about overhyping, everyone overhypes about their product. Almost everyone. And like for like someone does it too much, which is bad. Someone does a little bit, which is fine, I guess. Because like you're not gonna say that your product is bad. It is not good. Everyone wants to say their product is good. And yeah, it should be good to say that it's good. I'm not saying that we create a stupid bad product and then say it's great and we create a hype about it. That's not what I'm saying. But the main thing is he created T3 Chat for himself. He did not have any plan to like launch it and make money from it. But now he's making thousands and thousands of dollars from it. So we should just keep making something cool, and you never know if when it blows up. So yeah, so that's the lesson I would take from his story. All the premium models have a compatible with her. Ah, you are right though. You are right. But you can buy more credits, I think. And maybe for some people, 100 credits for the premium model is good enough. I I'm not sure about it. But like by the way, it also depends like it varies from person to person. Like depending upon the usage. Like for me, I generate a lot of images with ChatGPT. So for me, ChatGPT Plus is the way to go. It's not T3 Chat or it's not Claude, Gemini, Grok, neither of them, because it's only ChatGPT because I generate a lot of images. So it depends upon a lot upon what your requirement is. Okay, let's get back to work. I'm talking too much. These functions are the only way to read. Okay, quick. Okay, like create chat, rename chat, delete chat, list chat, generate upload. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, next. By the way, I don't know what you guys think about it. I think that he should remove the free plan completely and just increase the premium model limit for the premium users. Because, like, why would you give a free plan for a chatbot when people already know what it's supposed to do? Like, listen, like what it has for the free plan. It has Gemini 2 at like Gemini 2.5 and some other like smaller models. The person who's going to buy it already knows what Gemini 2 is, what OpenAI 4 or Mini is, because they have already used it on Gemini website, on ChatGPT website. So there is no reason to give like a trial or a free version for him. Like there's no need in T3 chat for it. I don't know. Maybe like there's some reason for it. What do you guys think? If you have some perspective about it, opinion about it. Okay. Okay. Yes. Fine. Yes. Good. No, we don't need Docker actually. Uh, what do we need Docker for? I think it's saying because the starter kit has like a Docker file. I don't know why it even has it. Let me turn on the charger very quickly. Thank God the screen uh, is not disconnecting like yesterday, because yesterday it was a very bad experience. The screen kept on disconnecting, so it was like a problem with the live stream platform which I'm using. Uh, Dude, I meant what we need it for. Uh, Skip it for now. Also, yes, skip entire deployment infra stuff in your plans. Leave it to me. If there's something you don't want it to plan about and think about, just tell it. It reduces the time you spend on it and just makes things quicker. By the way, we haven't started vibe coding. Oh my god. We're just doing the planning phase right now. Quick, we need to be very quick. Let me just open up the starter kit till then and close out extra stuff. Wait, first let me just close it. Now I'm gonna open it. I think it. Okay. Uh, yes. By the way, for using convex, you can they actually have cursor rules already made for it. You can just copy that and put it into your project. And they have an MCP as well, which makes stuff really easy. Just using Claude Code with Claude Opus 4 plus Context 7 MCP built this function. Yeah, you can use that, but like it's expensive right now. It's quite expensive. Yeah, so you're just gonna go to AI Code Gen. using cursor with convex, you can do install its MCP. Oh, MCP here, and I think cursor rules over here. Yeah, you can just copy it. I don't know. There's some document in here. Just copy it and put it in your cursor project. Yes, we don't need this. Prefer this is good. Oh yeah, yeah. It did get a lot cheaper, and now in cursor, it cost 1 credit, which is same as O4 Mini, same as Gemini 2.5. So yeah, it did. But there is one thing, they will not, like cursor does not let O3 do a lot of work for you. It will stop very quickly. So it does still cost you a little more, like a bit more in cursor. But way better than before. Like before you needed max, like you had to pay for each request of O3. Now you don't, which is good. Story draft task. Okay, we are done with the documentation. Perfect. Good. The docs. Give me the docs here. Copy paste. So just give me a minute. I'll be back in 1 minute. Yes, let's be good. I need team error build a code. What's that? But anyone who's watching, Make sure to join the Discord community because my focus right now is creating products that helps with vibe coding that makes it easier, more efficient, more effective. So you need to join it to stay updated. Okay, very good. So here we have every single thing. Now I'm gonna open. It's an update. Okay, do it. I'm gonna copy this. Now I've installed the packages. Good, that's good. And I'm really bad with designing UI UX. All I do is I just look at competitor websites and the ones that I like and copy their designs to get my work done. Come on, why is it so slow? What happened? That is weird. What is going on? Come on, come on. Don't waste my time. Quick. I should have done it before. Okay, let me just ask it to create the story. Okay, next. Whatever next task is, just do it. So we're not wasting time. Come on. Come on. What? This is not okay. This is not okay. Why is this happening? Oh, just a second. This is problematic. Is this only in cursor or also in VS Code? Oh wait, where can I can meet new friends? Uh, I mean, you can try my Discord community. We don't have too many people there yet, but maybe you find someone, and you can like. By the way, what kind of agent do you want to make? Because if it's not that complex, you can actually make something yourself as well. Like making basic agents is not difficult, to be very honest. Oh my god, the why is the terminal not working? Let me ask GPT about it. This is so not okay. This is not a cursor problem. It's maybe I have to restart my computer, laptop, but then I have to turn off the stream, which is oh, oh wait, terminal. Okay, come on. I was supposed to vibe code T3 chat, and I'm fixing my terminal now. Come on. I don't remember doing anything like that. Mirror, no, I did not. So something else happened. So disappointing. Come on. OSX. Let me just share this with GPT. Come on. Oh, come on. What am I wasting my time with? But it was always like that. Uh, okay. Bismillah. GSH. Will it work now? I don't know which one I use. The default is GH save. Okay, then G save and restart. Okay, saved. Please. And restart. Please work. And moment of truth. Oh, it works. Now we're talking. Wonderful. Wonderful. Let's go. And create docs. Oh, not really docs. Wait. And then I need to import something from where's my agent? Copy. No, it's taking time in copy. Oh my. I have to read. I think the name is important. Okay. Oh, you did not paste the entire thing, huh? You idiot. I actually don't need everything.